Most of you are using the wrong skincare. Let's talk about your skin types. Stop ruining your skin.
So unseen, taking all your breath so funny to be. That's why you think I left one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost too much.
Hi Tommy, welcome to my channel. My name is V Morgan and I love creating content about beauty, skincare, lifestyle and fashion. For returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support and your loyalty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I hope that you stay until the very end, watch my other videos, subscribe, like, comment and share if you can. So in today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, we'll be talking about skin types, products that you use for each skin type, and how you're supposed to know your skin type. First of all, stop ruining your skin, okay? So most of you are using the wrong skincare, not because you don't care. No, that's right. Not because you don't care, but because you don't know your skin types and your skin tones, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. With that said, I am going to help you find your skin type, your skin tone, and the best products for you to use. A lot of people, when they're advertising products, of course they have to advertise and they have to be sold, but most times they do not mention what type of skin those products are supposed to be used for. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining that. First things first, let's talk about your skin types. There are a lot of different skin types, and that's one thing you're supposed to know. So if you do not know your skin type, you should know that if your skin is shiny and you get pimples easily, like my skin, your skin is an oily skin. If your skin feels tight and dry, that's a dry skin. If your T-zone is oily but your cheeks are dry, that's a combination skin or a combined skin, whereby it is dry and also oily. It's a dry and oily skin. For those who do not know what a T-zone is, starting from your forehead, your nose to your chin. So if this area is oily but your cheeks are dry, you have a combined skin. And if your skin reacts easily, gets red, itchy, that's a sensitive skin. And if your skin is balanced, whereby it's just in between, it is okay, that's a normal skin. Okay, so those are the types of skins that we have. So now let's talk about what products to use. You have to remember that every single skincare routine has to have three products that you're supposed to use, and that's a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. So these three are essential for removing the dirt, moisturizing or hydrating the skin, and protecting you from the sun, because it is a basic to wash your face, to apply something on your face, and also to protect it from damage. So if you have an oily skin, you're supposed to use gel cleansers, lightweight oil-free moisturizers, and products that have salicylic acid and niacinamide in them. Those are good for oily skins. And remember, even oily skins needs to be moisturized. You just have to use lightweight products for your skin. So what do you have to avoid if you have an oily skin? You have to avoid overwashing your face. You have to avoid creamy products, heavy creams. Those must be avoided because you already have an oily skin. Now let's talk about the dry skin. What do you have to use if you have a dry skin? You have to use cream cleansers. Remember, for oily we said you're not supposed to use cream cleansers, but for a dry skin you're supposed to use creamy cleansers. You're supposed to use thick moisturizers, and you have to use products with ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and ceramides. So these ingredients are going to keep your skin hydrated and protect you from skin barriers. What to avoid? Make sure you avoid products with alcohol and also foaming cleansers. The washes, those that form a lot of foams. To understand what I mean? Yes. And now let's talk about the combination skin. So the combination skin, like I said, half part of your face is dry, the other part of your face is oily. So what do you use and what do you avoid? So for the combination skin, you have to use gentle cleansers, light moisturizers, and balanced products. Niacinamide. Okay, so you can use a product that has these ingredients, the niacinamide in them. It is good for combination skins because it is a balanced product for both dry and an oily skin. What to avoid? You have to avoid using one routine for the whole face. You have to use both oily and dry skincare routines. If you can use the oily products on the oily side of the skin and the dry products on the dry side of the skin. But if you can't manage to do that, make sure you use the balanced products. And now for the sensitive skin. These guys need to pay attention because already your skin is very sensitive. These are the things you're supposed to do and use if you have a sensitive skin. I always tell people, my clients, I always tell them, make sure. I know a lot of ladies love products that are smell good, that has fragrance in them. But if you have a sensitive skin, you're not supposed to use those products. So you're supposed to use fragrance-free products, gentle and a simple routine, because already your skin is sensitive. You're not supposed to use so much products on your face. You need to use calming ingredients, and also you need to avoid a lot of products to avoid irritation on the skin. So no harsh scrubbing on your skin and no perfumated or fragrance products. So in short, if you have a sensitive skin, make sure you use simple products on your skin to avoid irritation. Next, let's talk about the normal skin. That one is very straightforward and very simple. You just have to keep it simple. Don't overdo any products because you already have a normal skin. And that's all for the normal skin. Right? Now let's talk about the skin tones. Now this is where a lot of people get confused. But I need you to know that you can have light, medium, or dark skin. Baby girl, you are still beautiful. So now let's start with the dark skinned girls, dark skinned girls, dark skinned girls, dark skinned girls. Alright, so for the dark skinned girls, you have to focus on the glow and even tone products. Okay, focus on the glowing, even tone products. And also, this is one thing that dark skinned girls, most of dark skinned girls don't know. Yes, you can also use sunscreen because your skin as well needs to be protected from sun damage. And now let's talk about the medium skin. Most times the medium skins are prone to uneven tanning. You find your skin here is lighter than here and there. So you need products that are gentle on your skin, and you need to be exfoliating a lot so that you have the same skin on your body. And of course, sunscreen to protect your skin. And then we have the light-skinned babes. They are more prone to sun damage, so they need a lot of sunscreen, and they need also gentle products on their skin because their skins tend to be very sensitive. So they fall on the sensitive skins. Yes. And also guys, you need to remember that sunscreen is not optional. It protects the skin from the sun damage and also helps with dark spots. You didn't know that, did you? You can use sunscreen to get rid of dark spots. Make sure you just buy the best one, the good one. It doesn't have to be expensive, no, but it has to be a good product. And if you're sensitive to other products, you can use a sunscreen if you have dark spots. Okay, now let's talk about the common mistakes that everybody makes, including I myself. Guys, let me save you and myself from ruining our skins. Number 1, using too many products. That is a mistake. First of all, you have to learn, like I've explained. By now you know your type of skin, you know what products you're supposed to use. So make sure when you're buying products you read, because it is written on products, make sure you read, you check the content, you check the ingredients, you check if this product is for what type of skin. You have to make sure of that, and buy products that work for your skin. When you do that, make sure you just buy enough products that are going to work for your skin. You don't have to use too much products and too much brightening products at once. Number 2, copying influencers without knowing your skin type. That is a very bad mistake that everybody does. Quite alright, the influencers are advertising these products, and it's like you're seeing their skin is bad, then you see them glowing, they look good, you've been enticed to buy that product. But that is a mistake, because you do not know what type of skin those influencers have, and it might be different from yours. It might be the same, and if it's the same, that's a good thing. But if it's a different skin, now that's a bad thing for you. Number 3, like I keep saying, skipping sunscreen. You need to protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage is very bad for the skin. Okay, so you need to use sunscreen every single time the sun is up, the sun is out, it's very hot. Make sure you use sunscreen and protect your skin. Number 4, these are the things I always tell my clients. You need to be patient when you start working on your skin. I have started my journey again, my journey of working on my skin personally, and I'm seeing results. It takes time, but I'm seeing results, and I'm very patient. I'm going to wait it out. I'm going to do it on my own pace. As long as I'm seeing results, slowly but surely, I will wait it out. You have to be patient. The problem is people want fast results. So they'll buy products, they use it for 2 or 3 days. Oh, it's not doing anything. They'll run. Oh, I bought this, it's not working for my skin. They'll get another product. Oh, I bought, it's not working for you. Have to wait it out. Wait, have patience. When you use that product for a long period of time, not really long, like 1 day, a few weeks, and you see that it's not good for your skin, that's when you change the product. Or if you use it today, you wake up tomorrow, it has reacted on your face, that's when you change the product. But if not, you have to be patient and wait it out. And another thing you have to remember, that skincare is not about changing your skin color. It's about taking care of your skin and glowing in your own way, in your own skin. Okay guys, so that's it in this video. If you have a lot of questions, whatever questions you may have, make sure you leave them down below, leave them in my comments. I'll look at them and I'll make another video explaining whatever questions that you have. But in this video, I just wanted to explain to you about skin types, so I can help you find your skin type, your skin tone, and what products to use, what products and ingredients that are good for your skin. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment and I will respond to you. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more skincare, more glow up and more lifestyle content. Thank you very much and bye.